Then here we studied Unit 5, second chapter is numerical solution of simultaneous equation. Then first example by Jacobi iteration method. Find the first iteration by using Jacobi's method. For the following system of equations. Five x minus y plus z is equal to 10, x plus 2y is equal to 6, and x plus y plus 5z is equal to minus 1. Then here consider given simultaneous equation are 5x minus y plus z is equal to 10, then second is x plus 2y which is equal to 6, and third equation x plus y plus 5z is equal to minus 1. So here diagonal elements are 5x, 2y and 5z. So here 5 is greater than 1 and 2, 2 is greater than 1 and 5 is greater than 1 and 1. So this coefficient matrix is diagonally dominant. So first find out x, y, z and find x, y, z from equation first, second and third. These are first, second and third equation. Then first find out x. So x is equal to from first equation x is equal to 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5. So 1 divided by 5, 10 plus y minus z, प्लस असेल तर मायनस होणार, Then y is equal to, from second equation, 1 divided by 2, 6 minus x, and z is equal to 1 divided by 5 and minus 1 minus x minus y. These are fourth, fifth and sixth equation. Then here first find out first iteration. For first iteration, choose approximate root. x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0 and z0 is equal to 0. So first find out x1. So x1 is equal to, in first equation, 1 divided by 5, 10 plus y0 plus z0, and here 10 plus y0 is 0 plus z0 is 0, which is equal to 10 divided by 5. So 5 into 2. So x1 is equal to 2. So x1 is equal to 2. Then find out y1. So y1, from second equation, 1 divided by 2, 6 minus x0, which is equal to 1 divided by 2, 6 minus x0 is 0, which is equal to 6 divided by 2, and 2 into 3. So y1 is equal to 3. Then find out z1. And z1 from equation 3 is 1 divided by 5 minus 1 minus x minus y, 0, which is equal to 1 divided by 5 minus 1 minus 0 minus y0 is 0 is equal to minus 1 divided by 5, and 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, which is equal to 0.2, means minus 0.2, and z1 is equal to minus 0.2. Hence here only find the first iteration. So in the first iteration we find out. So after last upon write down after first iteration, approximate solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to minus 0.2. These are the solution by using Gauss-Jacobi method or Jacobi iteration method. Then we give the second example. Solve by using Jacobi's method. Here 3 iterations only. So first is 5x plus 2y plus 7z is equal to 30. Then x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 15. And then x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 20. So first upon given simultaneous equation are 5x plus 2y 5x plus 2y plus 7z is equal to 30. Then second, x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 15. Then third is x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 20. Then here diagonal elements of 5x to 4y and 5z. Here 5 is greater than is not greater than. Hence here the coefficient matrix is diagonally dominant. So first find x, y, z from first, second and third. So first find out x, y and z from equation first, second and third. So here x is equal to coefficient of x is 5, so 1 divided by 5, 30 minus 2y minus 7z, which is equal to second equation 1 divided by 4, 15 minus x minus 2z, and z is equal to 1 divided by 5, 20 minus x minus 2y. These are fourth, 5 and 6 equation. Using this equation find x1, y1, z1, means find the first iteration and for first iteration x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0 and z0 is equal to 0. So for the first iteration find out x1, which is equal to 1 divided by 5, 30 minus 2y0 minus 7z0, which is equal to 1 divided by 5, 30 minus 2 into y0 is 0 minus 7 into z0 is 0. and here 1 divided by 5, 30 minus 2 into 0 is 0 and 7 into 0 is 0, which is equal to 30 divided by 5. So 5 into 6. So x1 is equal to 6. Then find out y1. So here y1 is equal to 1 divided by 4, 15 minus x0 minus 2z0, which is equal to 1 divided by 4, 15 minus x0 is 0 minus 2 into z0 is 0, and which is equal to 1 divided by 4, 15 minus 0 minus 1 divided by 4, 15 minus 0 and 2 into 0 is 0. So 15 minus 0 minus 0 is 15 divided by 4, and 15 divided by 4 which is equal to 3.75, and so y1 is equal to 3.75. Then find out z1. So z1 by using second equation, by using third equation, 1 by 5, 30, 20 minus x0 minus 2y0, which is equal to 1 divided by 5, 20 minus x0 is 0 minus 2 into y0 is 0. So here 1 divided by 5, 20 minus 0 and 2 into 0 is 0, which is equal to 20 divided by 5 is 4. So z1 is equal to 4. So using this value, find the second iteration. Find the second iteration. So here x1 is equal to 6, y1 is equal to 3.75 and z1 is equal to 4. So here first find out x2, which is 1 divided by 5, 30 minus 2 y1 minus 7 z1, which is to 1 divided by 5, 30 minus 2 into y1 is 3.75 minus 7 into z1 is 4, and which is equal to, first find out its value, 30 minus 2 into 3.75 minus 7 into 4, which is equal, these are 30 minus 2 into 3.75 minus 7 into 4, which is equal to minus 5.5, minus 5.5 divided by 5, divided by 5, which is equal to minus 1.1. These are x2. Hence x2 is equal to minus 1.1. Then find out y2. So y2 from equation second 1 by 4 15 minus x1 minus 2z1 which is equal to 1 divided by 4. 15 minus x1 is 6 minus 2 into z1 is 4. So 1 by 4, 15 minus 6 minus 4 into 2 8. So 15 minus 6 plus 8 14. So 15 minus divided by 4, 15 minus 6 plus 8 14 is 1. So which is equal to 1 by 4. 15 minus 14 is 1. So 1 divided by 4 which is equal to 0.25. 0.25. Hence y2 is equal to 0.25. Then find out z2. So z2 by using third equation 1 by 5 20 minus x1 minus 2y1 which is equal to 1 by 5 20 minus x1 minus 2 into y1 is 3.75 and which is equal to, first find out this value, 20 minus 6 minus 2 into 3.75 which is 6.5. So 6.5 divided by 5 and 6.5 divided by 5 which is equal to 1.3. So here z2 is equal to 1.3. Hence by using this equation here carry out 3 iteration only, so find out third iteration. So x2 is equal to minus 1.1, y2 is equal to 0.25 and z2 is equal to 1.3. So first find out x3 by using first equation 1 by 5 30 minus 2y2 minus 7z2 and which is equal to 1 by 5 30 minus 2 into y2 is 0.25 minus 7 into z2 is 1.3 and first find out this value, 30 minus 2 into 0.25 minus 7 into 1.3 which is equal to 20.4 divided by 5 which is equal to 4.08. So here x3 is equal to 4.08. Then find out y3. So y3 is equal to, from second equation, 1 divided by 4, 15 minus x2 minus 2z2 which is equal to 1 divided by 4. 15 minus x2 is minus 1.1, minus 2 into z2 is 1.3, which is equal to 1 divided by 4. Find out its value. 15 here minus plus 15 plus 1.1 minus 2 into 1.3, and which is equal to 13.5. So 13.5 divided by 4, which is equal to 3.375. 3.375. So y3 is equal to 3.375. Then find out z3. So z3 from equation third, 1 divided by 5, 20 minus x2 minus 2y2, and which is equal to 1 divided by 5, 20 minus x2 is minus 1.1, minus 2 into y2 is 0.25, and which is equal to, first find out this value. 20 or minus plus 1.1 minus 2 into 0.25, which is equal to 20.6. So 20.6 divided by 5, which is equal to 4.12. 4.12. So Z3 is equal to 4.12. Hence, last upon after third iteration, we find out approximate solution is x is equal to 4.08, y is equal to 3.375, and z is equal to 4.12. These are the solution of this equation. Then we give the third example. Find the first iteration by using Jacobi's method. For the following equation, 4x plus y plus 3z is equal to 70. Then x plus 5y plus z is equal to 40. And 2x minus y plus 8z is equal to 12. So first upon given system of equations is 4x plus y plus 3z is equal to 17. Then second equation, x plus 5y plus z is equal to 14. Then third equation, 2x minus y plus 8z is equal to 12. Then here first is 4x 8z are diagonal element. Then 4 is greater than 1 and 3, 5 is greater than 1 and 1, and 8 is greater than 2 and 1. So this coefficient matrix is diagonally dominant. So first find out x, y, z. Hence find x, y, z from equation first, second and third. So first is x is equal to 1 divided by 4, 17 minus y minus 3z, and y is equal to 1 divided by 5, 40 minus x minus z, and z is equal to 1 divided by 8, 12 minus 2x plus y. So these are fourth, 5 and 6 equation. Then from this find out first iteration. So for first iteration, x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0 and z0 is equal to 0. Hence first find out x1. So x1 is equal to 1 divided by 4, 17 minus y0 minus 3z0. So here y0 is 0 and z0 is 0, and so it is equal to 1 by 4, 17 minus 0 and 3 minus 0 is 0, and 17 minus 0 is equal to 17 divided by 4. So 17 divided by 4, which is equal to 4.25. 4.25. These are x1 is 4.25. Then find out y1. And so y1 from equation second, 1 by 5, 14 minus x0 minus z0. So here 1 divided by 5, 14 minus x0 is 0 and z0 is 0, which is equal to 14 minus 0 is 14 divided by 5, and 14 divided by 5, which is equal to 2.8. So y1 is equal to 2.8. Then find out z1 from equation third. So z1 is 1 by 8, 12 minus 2x 0 plus y0. So here 1 by 8, 12 minus 2 into x0 is 0 plus y0 is 0, which is equal to 1 by 8. 12 minus 2 into 0 is 0 plus 0, and 0 and 0 are cancelled, then 12 divided by 8, and 12 divided by 8 divided by 8, which is equal to 1.5. So z1 is equal to 1.5. So we get the, here we only find out first iteration. Hence after first iteration, approximate solution is x is equal to 4.25, y is equal to 2.8, and z is equal to 1.5. Hence these are the solution by using Jacobi iteration method.